As each station in the production has its own requirements, selecting the right motors and drives for an entire filling line is one of the most challenging tasks in automation. For many liquid products, actuators must not only be powerful and precise, but also meet strict requirements in terms of hygiene and corrosion resistance, a challenge that LinMot was made for. LinMot stainless steel modules are complete drive solutions with high chemical resistance and IP69 protection. This high level of safety and the in-place cleaning design make the modules ideal for all applications in the pharmaceutical and food industries. For capping stations, LinMot offers the PR02 linear rotary motor. The fast and precise PR02 includes options such as force and torque sensors, hollow shaft for air feed-through, load compensation, and more in a single housing. With this all-in-one solution, the spray heads can be gripped, moved, inserted, and securely closed with the required torque using just the 6 PR02 motors. In addition, the PR02 enables networked production with real-time motor data such as vertical position, pressure or impact force, closing angle and torque. LinMot linear actuators are also unbeatable in pick-and-place applications. Thanks to the low moving masses, they can be operated at extremely high speeds without any loss of precision. They can also be individually configured and easily integrated into a wide range of overlaid control systems. This efficiency not only reduces production costs, but also minimizes energy consumption, making LinMot products ideal for modern pick-and-place processes. Whatever your industry, with LinMot, you benefit from a global network of experienced specialists who understand your individual requirements and offer solutions that perfectly match your processes. Smart solutions are driven by LinMot.